Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Trachtenberg, Director of Cardio-Oncology and Cardiac Amyloidosis at Houston Methodist Hospital.
Hi, I'm Ashrit Guha, an Assistant Professor of Cardiology and Associate Director of Heart Transplantation at Houston Methodist Hospital. I'd like to invite you to the 5th Annual Heart Failure Summit on February 7th, 2020 at the Houston Methodist Research Institute. This summit provides a comprehensive update on the prevention, diagnosis, and management of heart failure. It's an exciting opportunity to learn directly from heart failure experts through lectures, panel discussions, and case-based presentations. These sessions will cover the most recent update on treatments for heart failure, including LVADs, pulmonary hypertension, as well as treatment options for cardiogenic shock.
You will also have the opportunity to participate in small group breakout sessions in the Methodist Institute for Technology, Innovation, and Education, Houston Methodist's one-of-a-kind virtual hospital and training facility.
We hope you'll join us for the Houston Heart Failure Summit and look forward to seeing you in February.
Please visit our website to learn more and register for this event. Thank you.